So I managed to get access to Sora 2 today, and I'm just going to show you some of the completely unhinged creations that I have found on the platform. What I'm really impressed with is the quality of the video that it's creating, but also the quality of the audio. First of all, make sure you subscribe and leave a comment, because I'm giving away a free copy of my course every week showing how to make a full-time living posting content online. You have to be subscribed and you have to leave a comment on this video. If you don't know what to say, you can just comment Sora and you'll be in the running to get that.
Yo, I'm a barnyard flyer, strapped up higher and higher, but I ain't here for fryer fire. No oil bath, no crisp attire. I'm clucking with a purpose, pecking at the surface. Freedom. Yo,
in the case of 47 baby bunnies, you are not the father.
Now, they said one simply must try the cheese puffs, and I do see why. They're delightfully orange, aren't they? Quite jaunty.
Looks good, ma'am.
Set.
Halloween
Look at
one there.
There she goes. Oh my gosh. That is insane.
I say, buddy.
It's just floating. Look at that tail in the wind.
Toy! No way, a giant rat! A giant rat? That's not even a toy! No way!
I mean, there has to be a better way to get ice off your car. I mean, I'm using a discount card, so I'm only getting 15% off. Excuse me. There has to be a better.
So you can see it's quite good at creating anime. This is really good news for faceless creators, especially people who do like YouTube shorts, TikTok and Instagram. These videos are going insanely viral at the moment. One really annoying thing is that it has a watermark on it. That's because I think it's such early like beta access that there is no paid pro tier at the moment. So I'm actually accessing Sora from Australia using a VPN. I do have another video if you want to watch that showing how to get access to Sora. I think there will eventually be a pro tier where you'll pay a subscription fee, then you'll be able to create content without the watermark. If you want to remove the watermark, you can use a website called Magic Eraser. It works, relatively well. You can kind of see that there was a watermark there though. So, I'm just hanging out for when they release the pro tier, and I'll absolutely subscribe to that and create some content. One really cool feature is if you like a video, you can click on it and you can remix it. If you hit this little button that says remix, you can use that video and create some changes. Like you can say like put a Mexican hat on the chicken or something like that. You can see that someone's actually remixed that and put a watermelon on it. So there are a lot of creative things you can do. Another good thing when you're browsing all the videos on the home screen is a lot of people, when they post their video public, will post the exact prompt that they used to make the video as well, so you can just take that prompt and make your own. So that is my first look at Sora 2. It's very impressive. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.